Hi everyone, welcome to US Immigration Hub channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to file Form I-751, which is petition to remove conditions on residence. If you are new to this channel, my name is Liman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information I have from USCIS website and also based on the instruction that comes with the form and also based on experience I have with this form. If you found this video very helpful, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So before we start filing this form, I want to share my experience with you guys. So this is my, let's go over here. This is my spouse green card. It was expired on August 12, 2024. And before expiration date, we received Form I-797, Notice of Action, as a reminder to file Form I-751. So we filed I-751 on August, and then we sent it to USCIS, and then her green card her petition got approved, and she received her green card just a couple days ago. I will share the timeline in the next video. So now let's go back to our form right here. So this part right here is for USCIS use only, do not touch it. And this part right here is for attorney if you use one, do not touch it as well. As you can see, this form right here expires on March 31st, 2027, and the version date is April 1st, 2024. So always file new version. Check the USCIS website. This is the latest version they have on USCIS website. So now let's go to file this form. For us, we're gonna start here where it says start here. Type or print in black ink. You can do both. You can type when you print it. If you miss something, you can add it with a black ink. But never correct anything that's been already typed. That's my big advice. Now, let's go to part 1. Information about you, the conditional resident. Question 1A, family name or last name, it's Bushi. Question 1B, given name or first name, it's Bushra. 1C, middle name, it's NA or blank, both work. So other name used, list all other names you have ever used, including aliases, middle name, and nicknames. If you need extra space to complete this section, use the space provided in part 11, additional information. You know, in some application, I put the same name I use right here, I put them right here with no problem. In other application, I didn't put anything right here and no problem. So both way work. So just I want to let you know that. So for this one right here, it's up to you. I want to do it. If you want to keep it blank, it's fine. If you want to put this first name and last name right here, it's fine. So in this video, I'm going to keep them blank. We're going to go to other information. Question number 4. Date of birth in the format month, day, year is January 1st, 1990. Let's go to question number 5. Country of birth, it's Morocco. Question number 6. Country of citizenship, nationality, provide all that apply, Morocco. Let's assume you have another country of citizenship. You must add it in additional information in part 11. So question number 7. Alien registration number, if any. She must have one because she has a green card. If you go right here, this is alien number right here for her. If this is a green card, this is a condition. If you can see, that's CR1. This is your A number is going to be right here. USCIS number is going to be right here. It's shaded right here. So you put it right here. Now let's go to question number 8. U.S. Social Security number, if any, just for learning purposes. She has one. Once you have a green card, you will have one. Is just for learning purposes. I put two. There's 9 twos. USCIS online account at this point, she does not have one. But I will give you my experience. Once we filed I-751, they send us USCIS online account to create an account. So I basically is Access account. So she created account. She created a USCIS online account. Now she has USCIS online account for future use. So at this point right here, she did not have one. Now go to marital status. 10. Question number 10. Marital status. She's married to me. Question number 11. Date of marriage in the format month, day, and year is 1st January 2020. Question number 12. Place of marriage. Kenny from Morocco. Question number 13. If the marriage through which you gained conditional residence has ended, provide the date he ended, date of divorce, or date of death in the format month, day, and year. So we're still married. So question number 13 does not apply for us. Question number 14. Conditional residence expire on, for example, is 8/12/2024. If we go back, you can get it from your green card right here. It's right here. Card expires on this date right here, and the residence since. So it gives you exactly 2 years. After 2 years, will expire. So this is the expiration date right here for my green card. So we put it right here. We're still talking about part 1, which is information about you, the conditional resident. Mailing address in care of name, that's full name, Bushra. Question number 15B, street number and name, 100, Robert Run. Question 15C does not apply for me. Question number 15D, city or town, Indianapolis. 15A, state is Indiana. Question number 15F, zip code is 46254. Question number 16, is your physical address different than your mailing address? And my answer is no. If you if you check yes, you must provide it on. If you answered yes to item number 16, provide your physical address below right here. But from the answer to 16 is no, so I'm going to leave this one blank. So additional information about you. Question number 18. Are you in removal, deportation, or rescission proceedings? In my case is no. Question number 19. Was a fee paid to anyone other than an attorney in connection with this petition? Is no. Question number 20. Have you ever been arrested, detained, charged, indicted, fined, or imprisoned for breaking or violating any law or ordinance excluding traffic regulation? So if you got ticket, for example, is excluded. If you got a traffic ticket, is excluded. Or committed any crime with which you were not arrested in the United States or abroad? No. So here is not just United States. They are asking within the United States and abroad. If you answer yes to item number 20, provide the detailed explanation in part 11 additional information. So here, if you answer yes, you must provide the details information on part 11 additional information. So let's go to question number 21. If you are married, is this a different marriage than the one through which you gained a conditional resident status? In my case is no. She's still married to me. Question number 22. Have you resided at any other address since you become a permanent resident? In my case is no. If you answer yes, you must provide that the chili right here. If you answered yes to question number 22 or item number 22, you must provide that in the part 11 additional information. Question number 23. Is your spouse or spouse currently serving with or employed by the U.S. government and serving outside the United States? In my case is no. Now let's go to part 2, biographic information. We're still here talking about the person applying to remove the condition. Question number 1, ethnicity, not Hispanic or Latino. Question number 2, race, she's white. 3, it's height, feet 5. Height in feet is 5 and 2 inches. Question number 4 is 150 pounds. Eye color. Question number 5, eye color is black. Question number 6, hair color is black. So now Part 3. Basis for filing. Joint filing. My conditional residence is based on my marriage or my parents' marriage to a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident, and I am filing this joint petition together with, select only one box. 1A is my spouse, so basically with me. So waiver or individual filing request. My conditional residence is based on my marriage or my parent marriage to a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident. I am unable to file a joint petition with my spouse or my parent's spouse because. If you cannot do this, because one of these conditions right here. So does not apply for me because right here I already did here my spouse. If the one that apply for you, the waiver or individual filing request, if you can select the one that apply for me. But what apply for me right here is 1A, my spouse. So now let's talk about Part 4, information about the U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident spouse. If filing as a child separately, information about the U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident, step-parent through whom you gained your conditional residence. Relationship, spouse or former spouse. Now, they're going to talk about me. So, the information I'm going to put right here is going to be about me. So, other information. 2A, that's the spouse, which is going to be about me. Family name, it's Baker. Question number 2B is Sliman. Middle name, I don't have one. 2C. Question number 3, date of birth in the format month, day, and year is January 1st, 1980. Question number 4, U.S. Social Security number, if any. Of course, you will have one. 5, A number, if any. You have one because a lot of people miss that one. I'm going to show it to you. If you are a naturalized citizen, you have one. I'm going to show it to you right here. This is naturalization certificate, and this is your A number right here. Just sit there and copy it right here, A number. This is for the spouse, not for the person seeking to remove the condition. Physical address, question 6A, street number and name. It's 100 Robert Run. Question 6B does not apply for me. Question 6C, city or town, Indianapolis. Question 6D, state is Indiana. Question 6E, zip code is 46254. And the 6H, country is USA. As you can see here, does not apply for me. This is for foreign countries. Now, let's go to Part 5, information about your children. Provide information on all of your children. If you need extra space to complete this section, use the space provided in Part 11, additional information. Child 1, we have a child together. Her name is Hannah. So question child 1, question 1A, family name is Baker. And question 1B, given name or first name is Hannah. 1C, middle name, she does not have a middle name. You can leave it blank or put in A. So date of birth is December the 10th, 2023. Question number 3, A number, if any, she does not have a number because she is a U.S. citizen by birth. So she does not have a number. Question number 4, is this child living with you? Is yes. Question number 5, is this child applying with you? No, she is a U.S. citizen by birth. So we're still talking about Part 5, information about your children. Physical address, basically, she's living with me, same address as the spouse. Question 6A, street number and name, 100, Robert Run. 6C, question 6C, city or town, Indianapolis. 6D, state, Indiana. 6E, zip code is 46254. And 6H, the country is USA. 6F and 6G applies for foreign countries. So we have only one child. So all child information will be left. The other child information will be left blank. For child 2, what is down? Child 4, child 3, child 4, child 5. So we're gonna go right here, I think, right here. Yeah, we're gonna go straight to Part 6. Part 6 is accommodation for individual with disability or impairment. Note, read the information in the form I-751 instruction before completing this part. Question number 1 under Part 6, are you requesting an accommodation because of your disability or impairments? In my case, is no. Question number 2, are you requesting an accommodation because of your spouse's disability or impairments? In my case, is no. Question number 3, are you requesting an accommodation because of your included children's disability or impairments? My answer is no. If you answer yes to item 1, 2, 3, select any applicable box for item numbers 4A to 4C. So for me, 4A to 4C will be left blank because I answered no. So now let's talk about part 7. Petitioner's statement, contact information, acknowledgement of appointment at USCIS Application Support Center, certification and signature. Please read this note right here. It is very important. Read the information on penalties in the penalties section of the Form I-751 instructions before completing this part. If you selected box 1A in part 3, your spouse must also read and sign the petition in part 8. Signature of the conditional resident child under 14 years of age is not required. A parent may sign for a child. So petitioner's statement, select the box for either item 1A or 1B if applicable. So this is for my spouse. My spouse, she does not, her English is not too good, so I filed this form on her behalf. So for me, it's gonna be choice 1B. The interpreter named in part 9, which is gonna be me, has also read to me every question and instruction on this petition, as well as my answer to every question in Arabic language, that's language we speak. And then at the meantime, I was interpreter and I was a preparer at the same time. So I have checked the option number 2 as well. I have requested the service and consented to me, Baker Sliman, who is not an attorney or accredited representative. So here, petitioner's contact information. Petitioner's daytime telephone number is 317-111-222. Question number 4, petitioner's mobile telephone number, same as the daytime telephone number. Question number 5 is petitioner's petitioner's email address is bb@gmail.com. So now, acknowledgement of appointment at USCIS Application Support Center. Here you must be right with the black ink right here. Do not use any color. Once you print it, your spouse is gonna be right here, or the petitioner who is filing this form to remove the condition. Bushra in my case, and then you gotta read this. By signing here, I declare under penalty of perjury that I have reviewed and understand my application, petition, or request as identified by the receipt number displayed on the screen above, and all supporting document applications, petitions, or requests filed with my application, petition, or request that I filed with USCIS, and that all the information in these materials is complete, true, and correct. So now, once you put your full name right here, the form must be signed by the petitioner signature, the person filing this form to remove the conditions. 6A, petitioner signature. First, I'm going to date it as March 30th, 2025, and the petitioner signature. Once we print this form, the petitioner must sign it with a black ink with hand right here. Do not initial or put your full name. It will be rejected. So now let's go to part 8. Part 8 is going to be spouses or individual listed in part 4, statement, contact information, acknowledgement of appointment, USCIS Application Support Center, certification and signature if applicable. So please read this. So we're going to go right here. So spouses or individuals statement. Select the box for either item 1A or 1B. If applicable, select the box for item number 2. So for me, the one that applied for me is 1A. I can read and understand English, and I have read and understand every question and instruction on this petition, as well as the petitioner answer to every question. I have read and understand the acknowledgement of appointment at USCIS Application Support Center. So now let's go to spouses or individuals' contact information. Question number 3, spouses or individual daytime telephone number is 317-222-333. Question number 4 is the same. Telephone number is the same as daytime telephone number. Question number 5, spouses or individual email address is sb@gmail.com. Here we're still talking about part 8. Here, acknowledgement of appointment at USCIS Application Support Center. When you print the form, you must write your name right here. For me, in my case, it's going to be me right here, Baker Sliman right here. It must be written right here or printed right here with a black ink. Same thing. Please read this. I'm not going to waste my time reading this. So, spouses or individual certification, you must read this as well. So we're going to go straight to spouses or individual signature. First, I'm going to date it. When I print it, I must sign here, 16A. It must be signed with a black ink, with hand. Do not put your initial or full name. It will be rejected. Now, part 9, interpreters, contact information, certification, and signature is going to be me because I interpret this form for my spouse. So I'm gonna provide my information right here. Interpreter's full name, question 1A. Interpreter's family name, it's Baker. Question 1B. Interpreter's given name is Sliman. Question number 2 does not apply for me. I don't have a business. Just I'm doing this as an individual. Interpreter's mailing address is gonna be same as the address I have under the spouse. Question number 3A. Street number and name is 100 Robert Run. 3C, city or town, Indianapolis. 3D is state, is Indiana. 3E is zip code, is 46254. 3H, country is USA. Interpreters contact information. Question number 4. Interpreters daytime telephone number is 317-222-3333. Question number 5. Interpreters email address is going to be sb@gmail.com. So here, interpreters certification. I certify that I am fluent in English and Arabic, which is the same language provided in part 7, item number 1B. So interpreter signature, at first I'm going to sign it. I'm going to date it. Then when I print it, I'm going to sign it with a black ink right here. Do not put your full name right here or initial. It will be rejected. Now let's go to part 10. It's going to be about me as well because I prepared this form on behalf of my spouse with her consent. Part 10 is contact information, statement, certification, and signature of the person preparing this petition if other than the petitioner. So prepares full name. Question 1A is prepares family name. It's Baker. Question 1B, prepares given name is Sliman. Question number 2 does not apply for me. I don't have no business, just as individual. Prepares mailing address. Question 3A, street number and name is 100 Robert Run. 3C, city or town, Indianapolis. 3D is state, Indiana. And 3E is zip code 46254. And 3H, country is USA. Prepares contact information. Question number 4, prepares daytime telephone number is 317-222-333. Question number 5, prepares fax number if you have one. Here I should not put one right here. I don't have one. So 6, prepares email address is sb@gmail.com. Prepares statement. One that apply for me 7A. I'm not an attorney or accredited representative, but I have prepared this petition on behalf of the petitioner and with petition's consent. We're gonna go straight to prepare certification. Please read this. It is very important. Prepare signature. First, I'm gonna date it. Is March 30, 2025. When I print it, I'm gonna sign it with a black ink. Do not put your full name or initial right here. It will be rejected. Now we go to part 11, additional information. This is very important right here. Make sure you have this information right here, your full name. In question 1A, your last name, and 1B, it's first name and your number. what happens sometimes, Adobe does not populate this information right here. Make sure you have this information right here. Now we completed filing this form. Now let's go to other part of this video, which is filing fee, supporting documents, and where to file. Let's start by filing a fee. So I-751 petition to remove conditional on residence. The filing fee is $750. That's for filing fee I-751. Now let's go to supporting document. Supporting document, it will be different from case to case. So you will need a copy of front and back of your permanent resident. You need a copies of the front and back of the permanent resident card of any conditional permanent resident children you are including in your petition, if any. Evidence of relationship, an explanation for the reason you are filing late, if you're filing late. Anyway, I added this right here just to pick the list that will work for you. So for me, what I added the birth certificate of my child and the joint bank account and whatever I have right here. I picked the one that apply for me. So I don't want to give you what I have, what I submitted, because as I mentioned, it will differ from case to case, because it will be, these documents will be different from case to case. Now let's go to the last part of this video, which is where to file. Where to file, it will depend where you live in the United States. If you live in this state right here, you will send it to USCIS Elgin lockbox, and if you use US Postal Service, you send it to this address right here. And if you use FedEx, UPS, and DHL deliveries, you send it to this address right here. If you live in this state right here, you send it to USCIS Phoenix lockbox, and if you use US Postal Service, you send it to this address right here. And if you use FedEx, UPS, and DHL deliveries, you send it to this address right here. So now this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you in next video.